And over there next to it is a silver-throated grass grabber.
Let me see. Hey, look over there.
Well, what is it?
It's a red robin.
Oh, now let me see it. Oh, no, that's not a red robin. That's a girl.
Well, she was bobbing along there.
Oh, give me those things. Dang darn, while you were fooling around, I missed a peek at a great horny owl.
How can you tell?
You know, oh, that's terrible.
What's the matter?
Well, even the parks aren't safe anymore, Dean. There's a guy mugging a girl in the back seat of a car. We've got to save her.
Well, let me see.